Congratulations, that concludes our fun games, and for non-winners, don't worry because we shall be rolling out a merchandise on board. We have blankets, soft toys, die-cuts, and a whole lot more. For complete list of items and its corresponding prices, kindly check your phone coffee menu and see pocket in front of you.
Sad. Sad. Sobrang sad ko. Dapat nag-selfie ako kanina. Okay lang. Okay lang.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for descent, your cabin crew will now collect all items for disposal. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any litter. All electronic devices must be switched off or in silent mode at this time.
Ate. Ito din joke lang. Ano?
Baba na tayo?
Ako ang nag-start in a few minutes.
Wala pa, mataas pa.
So, feeling ko bago lang mag-start. Medyo delayed tayo sa Cebu.
Anong oras na dito?
Hindi ko alam Uy! Tayo, anong oras? 2:11. Actually, yung aeroplano going 500 kilometers per hour tayo. Hi, Tay.
Ikaw?
Hala, extra leg room. Extra leg room. First class. No way. No way, I have the whole row to myself. Lucky. Sobrang lucky. Shout out to Cebu City. Most bedroom ito.
Baba na.
Tapos yung malapit tayo sa Clark. Feeling ko nang gagawa sila ng final preparations.
Yung final?
Yeah. What if same pilot from earlier? What if same pilot from earlier? Kung same pilot
Ba
ako.
yung kuha ni Tuto, ano, ang kanyang kasintahan, stewardess.
Di ba pilot pagkalay?
Palipad na siya ng komisyon.
Hindi pa. Because student pa siya.
Pero marunong na siya.
Opo, ng mga basics.
Pero nagpalipad na siya. Aktual ko na.
Yung yung small pa. Yung small lang, yung pag-training lang.
Ilan makasakay doon sa school? One only?
5.
Ha?
5.
5?
Opo. 5 lang. Ganyan din daw sa sasakyan yan eh. 5 tao. Basics. Yung estudyante,
Parang chopper lang eh.
ha?
Parang chopper lang.
Parang small biplane, parang as from the first row to row 7. Ayan lang. Ano, taal? Kita ko taal. Oh my goodness. Ayan si Broken Point. Diyan ang taal.
Saan?
Ayan, yung parang island.
Mga bahay na yan, no?
Opo.
Yung maliliit.
Opo.
Kalaki ng yung putik.
Hindi malaki. Kaya yung sobrang taas natin.
Kala ko mababa na tayo.
Ha?
Kala ko mababa na tayo.
Hindi po.
Taas pa?
Opo. Landing tour. Taal. Feels like a long. Baka ito ang pinaka-longest flight sa buong life ko.
Ito? Bakit?
Sobrang long.
Bang?
Sobrang haba ng flight.
Yeah, 1 hour lang.
Daw 5 hours.
Sali yung kanina.
Si Daddy mo masakay pa rin sa Cebu Pacific.
Opo. Paborito niya airline.
Ah, Cebu?
Opo. Paborito. Ginagamit niya pang punta Manila. At dati din sa Clark, pero hindi na sila nagpupunta sa Clark. From Jensen to Clark, wala na. Wala. Closure.
Ganyan na yung reklamo ko, Papa.
This is Manila Bay. Manila Bay.
Sa Manila Bay.
Ayan, sa baba. Manila Bay.
Mga barko yan.
Oo, mga container ship. Nag-wait sila pang punta sa Port of Manila. Tayo, piling ko magbalik na. Baliktad. Hindi. Napkin.
Naglipat dito sa akin. Pira mo.
Dito ang pera ko.
Tingnan mo kayo, wala naman yan. Taas pa tayo, Papa. Medyo mababa na, no?
Medyo mababa.
Ano yung maliliit yan?
River.
Cabin cover prepare for arrival.
Okay, prepare for arrival.
Sabi niya?
Sabi niya, prepare for arrival, sabi niya daw. Sa Clark.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final descent, and the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. At this time, make sure the window shades are up, tray tables are stowed,
Window shade up.
seatbelts are in their upright position, and your seatbelts are securely fastened.
Boom, boom, boom. I can't wait to post this on Facebook. Manila.
Paano yung picture?
Ha? Yan is the convening contest. You stand this. Yung win. Ha? Pagbalik na tayo sa seatbelt.
Ha?
Yan na pong seatbelt para mas safe. Ikaw hindi. Ha?
Ikaw, eh? Turning to in Angeles. Turning right. Landing sa Clark. Ano?
Ha?
Siya.
Abo, malapit na tayo sa airport.
Tingin.
Aeropuerto de Rizal. Nagagawa sila bagong airport sa Manila. Alam ko ano ipangalan ko.
Ano?
Jose Rizal International Airport.
Jose Rizal?
Opo. Yes. Kaya maggawa man sila bagong Manila Airport.
Good.
Yeah. Lapit na. What count is that? They have railway? No, that's not a railway. That's the other. Just a... Grabe, ang ganda. Parang sa US. Parang sa Amerika to.
Ha?
Mukhang Amerika ang highway.
Ano?
Opo. Ganda ng Luzon.
Ito Bellflower?
Opo. Ayan yung Pampanga.
Saan?
Ayan, feeling ko. Ayan ang Pampanga. Sobrang laki sa baba, pero sobrang liit sa taas.
Picturean mo?
Landing gear down.
Ha?
Nababa ng wheels.
Ano, gear?
Apo, gear.
Yung kanya, yung gulong?
Apo, ano yung wheels, kinbaba nila.
Yung gulong niya?
Apo, kay gear ko.
Sabi?
Parang sound, parang mechanical sound.
Kawit ka to landing stations.
Yay! Na clear na tayo nag-landing. We've been cleared for landing.
Ano si daddy mo?
Feeling ko naghintay lang siya sa terminal. You're there. Yeah. Hindi, feeling ko malayo pang airport.
Medyo malayo mag-import.
Opo, medyo malayo pa. Nagagawa sila dito highway. Ay, damage na highway. Wow! Dalawang Neo, isang oras. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, lahat sa isang oras, sa isang day. Large factory. Pampangena, Cebu, Cebu. Talaga.
Sa bahay.
Ako? Glide slow. Dito tayo glide slow.
Marami ng daanan o may
Madami.
highway.
Ang laki ng highway.
Yun o? No?
Opo.
May overpass pa o?
Overpass sa highway.
No?
Opo, grabe. Malaki ang infrastructure. Dapat meron din dyan sa Mindanao.
Ganda yung bayo.
Opo. Dapat meron din dyan sa Mindanao. Meron din dyan school. Sa loob.
High school yan o? School.
Elementary school.
Guys, High school yun.
Feeling ko dalawa.
Feeling mo,
Opo, feeling ko elementary school at high school, dalawa.
maraming ba yung mga ganito.
Madaming tao. Manila. Parang Manila. Nagagawa sila ng skyway.
Naglansing na tayo sa semento.
Sa Clark. Nandito na tayo sa Clark. Na-landing tayo sa Clark. Idol. Buzzer. Reverse thrust. Hindi tayo nag-fly. Reverse thrust. Yay! Yay! Nandito na tayo.
Maganda yun, no? Yung building malaki yun.
Oh, malaki. Ano, nagkuha sila madaming building na
Ladies
malaki.
and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Clark International Airport. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, head of our flight, the crew, Captain Arcangel and First Officer Quijada, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Muli mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintay matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. We ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exits. We seek your cooperation, ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. And for guests needing special assistance such as wheelchair, you're advised to deplane last, using the forward door only. Thank you.
Air Force City. Air Force City.
Opo, Air Force City. SIA. SIA Engineering.
Yan ka masay pag nagsultado ka.
Ay, sa Air Force?
Gusto mo?
Hala, SIA.
Gusto mo magtugalo?
Ano, meron FedEx at UPS. Parang cargo airline sila.
Aeroplano doon, no?
Oh, I feel storage, pa-store nila.
Nakapunta ka na dito sa airport?
Hindi, first time ko. Alam, may PAL, malaki.
Saan?
May malaking Philippine Airlines sa Terminal 2. Meron din Sunlight Air.
Marami aeroplano, katakbo yun.
Sa grass. Feeling ko gen storage lang nila.
Ano yan? Sira na yan?
Hindi, feeling ko ginlagay nila, gina-maintain.
Sira na yan?
Hala, hindi, gina-maintain nila lang. Kaya hindi feeling ko maintenance lang, dyan nila ginalagay. Hala, may old plane, Spirit of Manila. Hindi na yan airline, na bankrupt. Na bankrupt ng Spirit of Manila.
Mga sira, no?
Opo, mga sira, yung old, luma.
Diba mga sira na yan?
Opo. Ayan yung mga luma na aeroplano. Spirit of Manila. Parang na-bankrupt sa 2011. Spirit. Sunlight here. Feeling ko mapunta yung Siargao.
Maliit.
Feeling ko.
Hindi makarating.
Hindi makarating pa. Sa gate 202. Sunlight here. Tingin
I will call this outdoors for a one cross-check.
Please remain seated. This is a cabin crew safety related procedure. Manatili po munang nakaupo. Salamat po.
Sunlight.
Sunlight here. Nagpupunta yun sa Siargao or Basco. First time ko dito sa car.
Thank you for waiting. It is now safer to stand and get your bag.
Be careful. Right here, ATR.
Just put it here.
Doors may be open.
Bakit yung tawag?
Before deplaning, kindly check your surroundings, including your seat, seat pockets, and overheading compartments. So ensure do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Thank you and welcome to Clark.
Ganda. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Anong pinaka-iconic ginasabi ni Ate Shaila? Always ginasabi ni Ate Shaila, miss ko na siya. Always Ate Shaila siya nagsasabi, miss ko na siya. Hindi ko alam ano meaning niya. Hindi ko alam bakit. We have arrived in Clark International Airport. Hi. Sabi one of the Philippines best, just like Cebu. Yes. Na-open ang doors. Feeling ko tayo ang one of the first mag-alis.
Thank you for waiting. The forward door is now open. You may now plane. Once again, thank you everyone for making moments happen with Cebu Pacific.
First time ko dito. Thank you, Cebu Pacific. Thank you, Cebu Pack. First time ko dito sa Clark. Ha? Ah, maganda. Maganda dito. Salamat po. Wow. Tayo maganda dito. Hamot. Sobrang hamot. Ha? Gate 202. 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10 months. Ooh. Ooh. Ganda. The hotel. Do you think that's one of our bags? No. Feeling ko that's another flight. Wow. Sobrang spacious. At kundi lang ang tao. Mantig Island, Camiguin. Wala na. Ano po? Huh? It used to be Clark Air Base sa ano?
Meron yan siya.
It used to be it used to be a US Air Base during World War II. Yes. YouTube, my and dad. YouTube and my dad. Wow, the ruins. Bacolod. Di ba famous ang Bacolod? Sobrang ganda ng airport at bakit kunti lang ang tao? Ang sobrang ganda ng airport at kunti lang ang tao at mabango. This needs to be more appreciated. Souvenir. Naging dala mo? Yung boarding pass mo din? Okay, here. Magandang hapon. Arrivals. Baggage claim. Kakashikatakada. No, go back. Singapore for car. No. Meron ako nakita Singapore Airlines sa Cebu. Ma'am.
Oo, wait na. Ano?
Ay, sorry po. Nandyan. baggage claim. And so anyways, bye-bye.